children, today we will see patterns in whole numbers. Okay, now whole numbers can be shown in elementary shapes made up of dots. Elementary shapes means first line, we have line rectangle, square and triangle. Okay, these are the elementary shapes. All okay. Some whole numbers we can express in these shapes. We'll see one by one. Now first one, line. All whole numbers can be shown in line shape except one. Every number can be arranged as line. For example, if we take 2 can be expressed in line shape like this with 2 dots. Or 3 also with 3 dots. Similarly 5. Okay, we can show in line shape with a 5 dot. That is all whole numbers we can show in basic shape line except 1. Now rectangle shape, we will see which whole numbers we can show in rectangular shape. Line all whole numbers possible, remember, all whole numbers we can show in line shape except 1. Now rectangle. Rectangle, if we can express the number as product of the two numbers except 1 here also, then we can express that number as rectangular shape. For example, if I take 2, 1 into 2, 1 we used here, therefore rectangular shape not possible. 3 also not possible. See, 1 into 3, 1 we use except 1 if we can write the number as product of the two numbers without using 1. Without using 1, if we can express the number product of the number, then rectangular shape possible. Therefore here also not possible. But 4, we can express this one as 2 into 2. 1 we are not using here. Therefore with 4 dots rectangular shape possible. You may ask, it is a square shape, but every square is a rectangle. Therefore with 4 dots rectangular shape possible. 5 dots again, 1 into 5 only possibility. 1 we used here also. Therefore rectangular shape not possible. With 6 we can express this one as 2 into 3, or we can also express this one as 3 into 2. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 times 3. Yes, rectangular shape possible with 6 dots. Product of the two numbers I have written. Therefore possible. 3 into 2. 3. 2 times. Okay, then also rectangular shape possible. If we can write the number as product of the two numbers without using 1, if we can write, then those numbers we can express in rectangular shape. We can show those whole number with the dots, we can show rectangular shape. Next example, 7 is not possible. Again 8 is possible. 2 4s are or 4 2s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Rectangular shape possible. 9 also possible. 3 times 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Rectangular shape possible with 9 dots. With 10, yes, 10 we can express as 5 times 2 or 2 times 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the numbers. What are the numbers? 6, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. These are the numbers we can show in rectangular shape. With that many dots we can show rectangular shape. Now next we will see which numbers we can express in square shape. If we can write the number as product of the two same numbers, then square shape is possible. Now product of two same numbers. For example, if I take 4, 4 I can write it as 2 into 2. That is with 4 dot square shape is possible. Now next example, product of the two same numbers means 3 I am taking. 3 3 is 9. That is with 9 dots. With 9 dots square shape is possible. Then if you want next number, we should go to the next number, next natural number, that is 4. 4 4s are 16. That is with 16 dots again square shape is possible. 4 columns and 4 rows. Okay. 4 rows are there and 4 columns are there. Then 16 dots square shape is possible. Okay, therefore, what are the numbers square shape possible? What are those numbers? 4, 9, 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, okay, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 100 and this many dots. With these dots, square shape is possible. Remember these numbers. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. With these numbers, square shape is possible. Okay, once again I will recall. Line up every number except 1 we can show in line shape. Now rectangle, product of the two numbers if we can write, then rectangular shape is possible. What are the examples for this rectangular shape? 4. Then next, product of the two numbers we should write. 6 2 3 is 6. 7 7 1 is 7, not possible. 7 is prime number. Again 8 is possible. 9 also possible. 3 3 is 9. 10 possible. 11 also not possible. 11 1 is 11. 1 we are using. Again 12 possible. 4 3 is 3 4s are 6 2s are 2 6s are. In many ways we can express 12 dots in rectangular shape. How it looks now we will see one by one. 4 3s are 1 2 3 4 dots 3 times. Okay, this is how 4 into 3 it looks. Now 3 4s are, how it looks? 3 4s are like this. 3 dots 4 times. Now 6 2 times. 6 dots 2 times. Now also 12. Now 2 6 times. How it looks? 2 6 times. 2. 2 times. 2 3 times. 2 4 times. 2 5 times. 2 6 times. 2 6 12. These are the many ways. Now if we can write the number as product of the two numbers except 1 without using 1, if we can express, then rectangular shape is possible. Product of the two same numbers if we can write, for example these are, then square shape is possible. Now for triangular shape, observe the pattern now whatever I am writing on the board. Now for triangular shape, minimum we require 3 dots. That is 1 dot, 2, 3. First 1, then next 2 I took. That is 3. That is 1 plus 2, 3. First 1 dot, then next 2 dots. 1 plus 2, 3. With 3 dots, triangular shape is possible. Next shape, next triangular number if you want, to this 1 plus 2, add 3. Next number add. That is total is how much? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. With 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 6 dots triangular shape is possible. If you want the next number, to this 1 plus 2 plus 3, add 4. Then you will get total 10. With 10 dots triangular shape is possible. Again observe. First 1 dot, then next 2 dots, then next 3 dots, after that 4, then total 10. With 10 dots triangular shape is possible. Then if you want next triangular number, what we should do? To this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you add 5. Total is 15. With 15 dots again, triangular shape is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. With 15 dots again, triangular shape is possible. These are the triangular numbers. 3, then next 6, then next 10, then next 15. Next number, if you want, add 6 to that. 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. Then next number, if you want, 21 plus 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36, and so on. These are all the triangular numbers. This is the pattern you have to remember. Okay. These are the basic shapes. We can express all whole numbers in these basic shapes. Which numbers we can show in line shape? Except one, all whole numbers we can show in line shape. Now, which numbers we can show in rectangular shape? If we can write the number as product of the two numbers, for example 2 into 2, product of the two numbers without using 1. If it is 6, 2 into 3. If it is 8, 2 into 4. If it is 10, 5 into 2. If it is 12, 2 into 6, or 6 into 2, or 4 into 3. If it is 15, 3 into 5. Many ways are there. If we can express as product of the two numbers without using 1, then rectangular shape is possible. Product of the same number if we can use, for example 2 into 2, 3 into 3, that is 9, 16, 4 into 4, and then is 25, 5 into 5. Then these numbers we can show in square shape. Okay, these are the whole number. That is, with these many dots we can show square shape. And for the triangular shape, you have to remember the pattern. Pattern is first 1 plus 2, that is with 3 dots. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is with 6 dots. After that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10 dots. Similarly it continues, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 15 dots, and so on. Okay, it continues the pattern. For triangle, this is the pattern it works. For square, product of the same number. For rectangle, product of the number without using 1. If we can write the number product of the two without using 1, then this rectangular shape is possible. Line, except 1, all numbers we can show in line shape. This is about the patterns in whole numbers. Okay children, thank you.